Looking for a reliable cordless drill and impact driver combo? Let me show you why the DeWalt 20V Max Kit is a must-have. Reason 1. Unmatched power and performance for every project. The drill delivers 300 unit watts out for tough applications. Dual-speed transmission lets you switch between 450 and 1500 RPM. Tackle drilling, fastening, and more with professional-grade results. Reason 2. Compact, lightweight design for tight workspaces. Both tools fit easily where bulky drills just can't go. The drill weighs just 3.6 pounds, no more arm fatigue. Impact driver is only 5.55 inches front to back. Perfect for cabinets, crawl spaces, and overhead tasks. Reason 3. Comfort and control for all-day use. Ergonomic handles make long jobs feel effortless. One-handed bit loading on the impact driver saves time. No more fumbling with bits in the middle of a job. LED lights on both tools keep your workspace bright. 3 LED ring on the impact driver eliminates shadows. Built-in LED footlight on the drill for clear visibility. Work confidently in dark corners and under cabinets. Kit includes 2 20V Max lithium-ion batteries. Swap batteries and keep working, no downtime. Fast charger gets you back to work quickly. No more waiting around for your tools to recharge. Both tools are built DeWalt tough for job site durability. Ratcheting chuck on the drill grip fits tightly. No slipping even with heavy-duty drilling tasks. Impact driver delivers a 117 in-lbs of torque. Drive long screws and bolts with ease. Ideal for professional contractors and serious DIYers. Perfect for electricians, plumbers, and remodelers. Homeowners will love the versatility for repairs and projects. Lightweight design means less strain on your wrists. Switch seamlessly between drilling and driving tasks. Keep both tools handy for any job that pops up. The combo kit is portable. Take it anywhere you need. Lithium-ion batteries hold charge for long periods. No more dead batteries when you need them most. DeWalt's reputation means you're investing in quality. Thousands of pros trust DeWalt for their daily work. This kit is designed to last for years of use. The included charger is compact and easy to store. Keep your workspace organized with the included carrying bag. All your tools and accessories in one place. The drill's high-performance motor handles tough materials. Drill through wood, metal, and plastic with confidence. Impact driver is perfect for deck building and framing. No more stripped screws or underpowered tools. LED lights activate automatically. No fumbling for switches. Works safely and efficiently even in low light. The kit's compact size makes storage a breeze. Great for apartments, garages, and mobile work vans. Upgrade your toolkit with professional-grade performance. Impress clients and friends with your efficiency. No more borrowing tools. Own the best in the business. The DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit is a smart investment. Get more done in less time with reliable tools. Stop struggling with outdated, underpowered drills. Experience the difference of DeWalt engineering. Ready to take your projects to the next level? Don't wait. This combo kit is in high demand. Click the link to check out the DeWalt 20V Max Kit. See why professionals and DIYers rave about this set. Read the reviews and see real results from real users. Add the DeWalt Combo Kit to your cart today. Enjoy fast shipping and start using your new tools soon. Transform your work with power, comfort, and control. Don't miss out on this essential toolkit upgrade. Join the DeWalt family and work smarter, not harder. Ready to make every project easier and faster? Tap to buy the DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit now.